My name is Nancy Wittenberg, and I'm a commercial realtor and syndicator who specializes in multifamily, making money, and motherhood. This video is to talk about cap rates, also known as capitalization rates. And we're going to take a slightly different spin on this. Hopefully it will be memorable and fun for you. We're going to talk about this from the perspective of the egg, the sperm, and making babies. Alright, the egg is going to be your asset, whatever it is that you're buying. The sperm is going to be the money that goes into the asset in order to acquire it. And the babies are going to be the money that you make, the money that you're going to make in owning this. Now, babies come in the form of cash flow, appreciation, capturing depreciation, maybe getting a second loan from it. Any way that you make money from your asset, that's going to be where the babies come from. So let's talk about capitalization rates. A cap rate, the formula is cap rate equals NOI over purchase price. NOI will be explained in another video, but just for the purposes of this video, we're going to go into it just a little bit. That is income minus expenses equals NOI. But it does not include certain items such as capital depreciation, CapEx, your capital expenses. Those are going to be your large ticket items, for example, maybe a roof or something significant, rebuilding a building, something. Those larger ticket items are not included in your net operating income. And then you're divided by your purchase price. Your purchase price is going to be any monies that go into acquiring the property from the beginning. It could be your earnest, it could be the money down that you need. For example, if the lender is going to give you an 80% loan, you have to come up with 20% cash. And then if your property needs immediate repositioning, it needs a lot of work, that money gets counted into the purchase price for this. For figuring out your cap rate, how much money you're going to make from this property. Alright, so let's start with some examples. Let's talk about the elephant. The elephant is pregnant for 22 months before it has a baby, and it usually has one baby. Let me give you an example of what that would look like in a cap rate. So here you've got your cap rate. So you've got, let's say for example, your net operating income is $20,000 and it costs you $400,000 to acquire the asset. That's your purchase price. You are going to get a return, a cap rate of 5%. Now, that is not a very good return if you're looking for a lot of babies. However, it's going to be your more turnkey property. Those are going to be the ones that are stable, that are cash flowing, also known as turnkey. Alright, so let's move on to rabbits. Rabbits have a lot of baby, anywhere from 8 to 12, and they can have a new litter once a month. That's a lot of babies. So let's go into that example for you. Your net operating income is $200,000. And let's say for an example, your purchase price is $2 million. Your cap rate is going to be 10%. Now, the risk is much higher with the rabbit than the elephant. However, your rewards potentially could be much greater in the difference in the cap rates. Now let's go a little bit further. Let's go on the extreme side and talk about spiders. They can lay up to 200 eggs at a time. That's a lot of babies. So let me give you an example. Let's say the net operating income is $1 million and the purchase price is $7 million. Your cap rate is going to be 14.3%. That's a lot of babies. However, your risk, this is going to be your highest risk asset. Typically, just for an example, they'll have no occupancy or very low occupancy, a complete repositioning, probably boarded up, that kind of thing. However, the benefits, the potential reward could be significant. Alright, so if you'd like to watch additional videos or get additional information on myself, please go to my website, which is www.emergingmarketsinvestors.com. Thank you and have a wonderful day.